What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Long-term effects of cat clamps. Let's go through it. So I got 26,000 miles Chevy. I don't even know what engine. Who cares? PO 2098, 2099. Cat efficiency, bank 1, bank 2. I don't even know if I'm to the root causes of everything, because this car has aftermarket cats on it. But the installation of clamps. So I don't know what I'm going to find once I get that off. You can see that they have the oxygen sensor vibrating against cat clamps. Now to take all this shit off to actually fix the guy's car with 26,000 miles on it. What a headache. What a headache. I never advise these things from the rip. More aggravation than they're worth. If you put OEM catalytic converters back on your car, I would say it definitely be worth it. But once you put aftermarket stuff on here, and at one point in time there just was no inventory, so it is what it is. Thanks for watching.